Transfer of genes from one chromosome. Right. Repulsion of homologous chromosomes takes place in A. Diplotin, B. Zygotin. Right. When are chromatids clearly visible in meiosis? A. Zygotin, B. Pachyton, C. Diplotin, D. Diakinesis. Right. Chiasma formation occurs in A. Leptoten, B. Zygotin, C. Pachyton. Right. Cross-like configuration when non-sister chromatids of a bivalent comes in contact during. Right. Terminalization occurs during A. Mitosis, B. Right. Number of chromosome groups at equatorial plate of metaphase I of a plant body having 2n equals 50 chromosomes shall be A. 100, B. 75. Right. In meiosis I, the centromere undergoes A. No division, B. Division between anaphase and interphase. Right. Meiosis II performs A. Synthesis of DNA in centromere, B. Separation of sex chromosomes, C. Separation of chromatids, D. Separation of homologous. Right. Significance of meiosis lies in A. Reduction of chromosome number to 1/2, B. Maintaining the consistency of chromosome number during sexual reproduction, C. Production of genetic variability, D. Right. 200 egg cells are produced by, in meiosis, A. 50 divisions, B. 100 divisions, circa 200 divisions, D. 400 divisions. Right. A cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes just after the completion of mitotic telophase. The number of chromatids at the preceding metaphase was. Right.